Here's something most people never realize. Understanding commercial lending isn't just about getting a loan approved. It's about controlling the deal. Every day, business owners and real estate professionals miss out on opportunities because they don't understand what lenders actually care about. They send incomplete financials, unclear deal structures, or unrealistic terms, and the applications get declined before a real review even happens. That's where commercial loan education changes everything. When you know how lenders evaluate risk, calculate debt coverage, and structure terms, you stop guessing and start speaking the same language as the decision makers. I train professionals to do exactly that. I guide you through the full process, from analyzing a borrower's financials to packaging a loan request that gets funded. We cover topics like how to calculate cap rates and debt service ratios, how to build a clean loan summary that makes sense to a lender, how to position deals for SBA, private, or bridge financing. Once you understand that process, everything changes. You'll be more confident presenting deals, more respected by lenders, and more valuable to your clients. If you've ever wanted to stand out as the person who truly understands how money moves in commercial finance, this is where it starts. Feel free to reach out to me directly, and let's get you trained to operate at a professional lender's level.